Latham's word of the day from the book of Jargon, Environmental, Social and Governance, is debt for nature swap. A debt for nature swap is a financial transaction in which a creditor government forgives a portion of a debtor government's debt, on the condition that the debtor government invests the savings from the reduced debt in nature conservation projects. One example of a debt for nature swap could be that a country like Germany forgives a portion of Namibia's debt and Namibia invests the savings in wildlife preservation resorts. Debt for nature swap.